Still snowing outside. We're still enjoying ourselves. It's getting dark out. It's still snowing. Can you believe it? Oh yeah. But did a little bit of snow blowing today. What's up, dude? It's still snowing. Cool, cool. What are you going to do?
Ride my side-by-side?
What? Speak up.
Ride my side-by-side?
All right, come on. Let's go get. We're gonna go. They want to do donuts and stuff with the side-by-side. Let's go get the side-by-side. Hey, do you want your goggles on? You don't want your goggles? Man, we got like 5 inches. Don't be in the snow like that. You're gonna get cold. You're starting off wrong.
This trampoline.
I know. Stay off of it because that's heavy. That's a lot of weight. Come on, dude.
You got the keys?
Yeah, right here. It's gonna look cool at nighttime. All right, get in there.
I can't see.
No, just hop in.
Yeah!
There you go.
Hey! Hey!
All right, what's up? What's up, dude? Oh, look at you, you little dude. Oompa, oompa. Oh, yeah. All right, straight back. Straight back. Straight back.
Watch out, Kim!
Cam, hop in. Oh, man, that thing's a beast in the snow, dude.
Where's the snow?
Oh, yeah. Hop in there, Cam. Very cold.
Look.
Man, that thing. Oh, you're not in gear. It's gonna be slick, so get ready for it. Tear it up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. That's cool, dude. That 200 RZR is a beast in the snow. That sounds like he got it stuck. What are you doing?
He got stuck.
You got stuck? How'd you get stuck?
Hold up.
There. Give it hell, dude. Dude, that's cool, yo. Oh my God, dude. Woo! Dude, look at these nuts. This is so crazy. insane. Oh, dude, I'm so happy for them. They're having so much fun. Watch the wood pile. Oh, shit. Yeah, hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Say hi to the camera. Say hi, camera.
Right there, you passed him.
And
tear it up, Kaden.
Bro,
this thing's a beast.
A deer almost cut in front.
Did it?
There's like 2 deers almost cut.
Did it?
Yeah.
Wow.
And I'm trying to follow us. There's a deer like super close to us, and he wasn't even scared.
What?
Yeah, and a deer staring at us.
Wow.
You want to ride? Should I take it a lap?
I'm gonna buy it. Yeah, take a lap. I'm gonna buy a roof and windows, so it's not. Yeah, we put a little heater in there.
Oh yeah. So I do a lap down there.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, hold on. Was it fun, guys? Wow. Yeah, let's go right there.
Oh my God.
Bring the key. Dude, that thing is sick in the snow. How'd you have fun, Cameron? Yeah?
Coco, hi.
Coco, come here, girl. Coco. Coco, baby. Coco. Oh, you're all snowy.
One time I was playing with her, I took the ball from her and she was just jumping on me.
Nice.
Come on, Coco.
You need to get some snow boots on, man. Him.
I should go on this.
What's that? Oh, Coco's getting him. Coco loves the snow. Yeah, I didn't even know Coco was out here. She was blended in. She saw that big deer down there. She ran away.
She was eating the snow.
Well, there it is. 2024 snowstorm. It was a blast. We got a lot of work to do this summer. This wind blew this over. We gotta expand this driveway. Are you guys ready to go in?
No.
Huh? Are you guys getting in the hot tub then?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah.
We gotta warm up. You can't get in right now.